How to buy TON in Telegram wallet. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to quickly buy TON cryptocurrency using your Telegram wallet. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app and search for the wallet bot. If you've already set up your wallet, click on the bot and type /star to bring up the menu. In the menu, select the Buy TON option and you'll see a list of supported payment methods like bank cards or cryptocurrency exchanges. Choose the payment method that works best for you. Next, enter the amount of TON you want to buy and provide the necessary payment details based on your selected method. If you're using a card, you'll be asked for the card info. For crypto, you'll get a wallet address to send funds to. After entering the details, confirm your purchase. Once the payment is processed, the Toncoins will automatically be credited to your Telegram wallet. And there you have it. That's how you buy TON directly to your Telegram wallet. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.